Next, we'll study about we'll have in AC circuit three types of load. One is the resistive load, another one is the inductive load, another one is the capacitive. Okay. In resistive load, current and voltage are same phase. Same phase means if voltage is on x-axis, then in that case current is on the x-axis. Okay. Basically, the angle between voltage and current is how much? Tell me. Obviously, right? But in the case of inductive, we'll have current lags voltage by an angle of degree. Current lags means that means voltage is leading, right? Means like if thief and police, if is front, then police is behind, right? So if voltage is always on the x-axis, we'll take it as standard. Voltage in this current lags. Current lags means current would be in the downward position, that is of 90 degree. Correct? Next one is the capacitive. Capacitive current leads voltage by an angle of 90 degree. Whenever will it's a pure capacitor or pure inductor, then his angle is 90 degree. That is fixed. Okay. Pure capacitor means if we'll have only capacitor, then in that case phi is equal to 90 degree. And impure capacitor means whenever we'll have combination of R and C, then in that case phi would be equal to, according to the formula, tan inverse xc by R. Again, you don't need to remember this formula. Remember, we have done the impedance triangle, right? From that, tan phi would be equal to xc by R, right? Now in the next case, current leads voltage. Voltage is on the x-axis, current is leading by an angle of 90 degree. Clear? Now how will you going to remember it? By simple rule, always going to remember civil, right? What does you know now? Civil, right? So here C stands for capacitor. In case of capacitor, current is first or voltage is first? Current. So that means current is leading the voltage in case of capacitor. Okay. Now L stands for inductor. So voltage is first or current is first? Voltage is first. That means voltage is leading the current. Okay. Understood? So this is how you can remember the things. Similarly, for this case phi is equal to 0, phi is equal to 90, phi is equal to 90 degree. So you should know about all the three cases of load. Whenever we'll have the combination of R and L, then in that case phi would be equal to tan inverse XL by R. Okay.